Changing the email link to your Apple ID is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. Enter your current Apple ID email and password to sign in. Step 2. Access account settings. Once signed in, look for the account section. Click on Edit to access your account settings where you can update your email. Step 3. Change your email address. In the Reach a Bullet section, click on Change Email Address. Enter the new email address you want to use for your Apple ID. Step 4. Verify your new email. Apple will send a verification email to the new address. Check your email inbox for the verification message and follow the instructions to confirm the change. Step 5. Sign out and back in. After verification, sign out of your Apple ID on all your devices. Then sign back in using your new email address to ensure everything is updated. Now you have successfully changed the email link to your Apple ID. If you encounter any issues, refer to Apple's support page for further assistance.